I'd like to showcase some of the real-time work that we're doing with DEXI for this year's AVR drone competition. If you're not familiar with AVR, I'll put a link below. It's the Advanced Vertical Robotics Challenge. DroneBlocks has been a part of it for several years, and we're really excited this year. DEXI will be a part of it. The competition format will be announced soon, and we'll be testing some different sensors. So I just want to demonstrate some of the hardware changes that we've made to support this year's competition. If you're not familiar, DEXI ships with a forward-facing camera, and what I've done is I've relocated that with a custom mount so that it points downward. This is some previous work that we've done with April tag detection. So the camera will detect an April tag and then perform some logic and toggle the LED a different color. But in addition to that, you'll notice that we also have this custom sensor mount, and a little shout out to Ideaventions. They're one of the teams from AVR. They helped design this mount, and it supports both an infrared beam receiver as well as a laser. So in this video, I'm going to show the functionality of this beam receiver. Think of like a garage door sensor. It's when the signal is received, it goes high, and when it's broken, it will go low. So on the bench, I have the emitting end of that Breakbeam or that infrared. It's emitting a light. It's just hooked up to a Pi for 5 volts just to get a constant output. And I have some code currently running that's going to detect a high signal, and it's going to change the LED. So for starters, the DEXI LED, I'm in stabilized mode. Let me just demonstrate the different colors so we know the difference here. Stabilized is white, altitude yellow, position green. Okay, so we're white, and then I have some code that will, once the beam is detected, will send it or change the color to purple. So I'll pretend that I'm hovering, I'll move over, and now we have a purple LED, and then I'll move away so the beam or the LED goes off. See if I can get this lined up. There we have the beam that will signal to the pilot and the ground operators to do something specific related to this color. So you can see it toggling on and off. And then once again, if I toggle to my flight modes, we have the LED indicating the different flight mode status. So just wanted to share that update. In an upcoming video, I'm going to share some of the ROS code that we're working on to enable LED control as well as GPIO. We're currently using the GPIO pins from PyCM4. Probably can't see it, but that's part of the magic of DEXI and our collaboration with Arc Electronics for this custom board that has position hold, great position hold through optical flow, as well as CM4 breakout. Appreciate you guys following along, and until next time, thanks for watching.